Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable iCloud Drive sharing with Windows for workflow sync, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable iCloud Drive sharing with Windows for workflow sync, start by checking if you have the latest version of iCloud for Windows installed. If you don't have it, visit the Apple website and download the iCloud for Windows application. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, launch the iCloud application from your Start menu. Sign in with your Apple ID and password to access your iCloud account. In the iCloud interface, locate the iCloud Drive option and check the box next to it. Click the Apply button to save your changes. Once iCloud Drive is enabled, open File Explorer on your Windows computer. On the left sidebar, you should see iCloud Drive listed among your folders. Click on iCloud Drive to view your files and folders that are stored in iCloud. To share a file or folder, right-click on it and select Share. A menu will appear. Choose the option to share with people. You can also select the permissions for your recipients, deciding whether they can edit or just view the file. Once you've added the email addresses and set permissions, click the Share button. Your recipients will receive an email notification with a link to access the shared items. To manage shared files later, go back to the iCloud Drive and select the shared item. Right-click and choose Share again to adjust settings or see who currently has access. Keep in mind that your iCloud Drive will sync changes across all devices linked to your Apple ID. This allows you to maintain a seamless workflow, regardless of whether you're using Windows or any other device. Remember to regularly check and manage your shared files to maintain organization and control. That's how you can enable iCloud Drive sharing with Windows for efficient workflow synchronization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.